I can't believe she didn't see me, dog. Oh shit, okay. Look, I know that wolf is gonna attack someone. So I'm gonna close this door right quick. And I'm gonna let the wolf handle my business. Nothing more, nothing less. Check it out, watch. We just looking for that wolf right quick. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. What the fuck? There you go. Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just chilling up in this bathroom.